So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can check the analytics of any of the YouTube video that you have been watching using VidIQ extension. Now this VidIQ extension is a special extension that provides some special functionality to the YouTube that you have been by defaultly using on your browser. It's a free extension. You just need to sign in with any of the Google account that you have been using, and it may provide some special features with the pro version as well, but you can easily check the analytics via free version of vidIQ. So first of all, you need to open any browser that you have been using, and here you need to go to the web store of that particular browser. For example, if I open Google Chrome web store, now here I just need to search for the vidIQ extension. Once I search that, you're gonna see once I hit search, now here the list of extension, for the first one says vidIQ. Just need to install this to your browser. Currently I've already installed it. Now here, after installing, you need to sign in via your any of the Google account. Once you do that, whenever you watch now any of the video on YouTube, you're gonna find this special window over the right side with some special functionality which generally YouTube does not provide. So from here you can see many of the options are now enabled, and from here you can see the analytics of the videos as well, like how much the vidIQ score for this particular video, and how many views are this video gaining per hour, and total views, the duration, and more about this. You're gonna see the comparison in between first 28 days for this channel. So from here you're gonna see all the analytics that are available for this video over here only, without going to any other sites as well. So via using vidIQ extension, you can easily check the analytics of any of the YouTube video that you have been watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.